Okay, so let's look at our coefficients. So for x, we've got a 4 and a 1. And for y, we have a 2 and a 2. So our y's are the same. I think all the other ones, our x's were the same. So this one's a little different. Same thing. So we have 2's and they're both positive. Since they are the same sign, to get rid of these y's, we are going to subtract these equations. I want to see your minus sign. So minus. So we have 4x minus a negative 1. Minus a negative means plus. So this is 4 plus 1, which is 5x. Okay? Please don't let the integers throw you off. 2 minus 2 is 0. The y's have been eliminated. That's why it's called elimination. 20 minus 5 is 15. We divide to get the x's by themselves. So x is 3. The second equation has smaller numbers, so I'm going to use negative x plus 2y equals 5 to figure out what y is. I know that x is 3, so it says negative x, so negative 3 plus 2y equals 5. We're going to add 3 on both sides. To get 2y equals 8, we're going to divide to get y equals 4. So we think the answer is 3, 4. Let's check it to see if we're right. So 3, 4, remember this is x and this is y. So 4, instead of x, we put a 3, plus 2, instead of y, we put a 4. It should equal 20. We get 12 plus 8, which, yes, that is 20. First one checks out. Second one, negative, instead of x, we put a 3. 2, instead of y, we put a 4. This should equal 5. We get negative 3 plus 8. Signs are different. We subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5. Keep the sign of the larger. Checks out. Answer is 3, 4. Your exit ticket today is not actually solving. It's just, do you understand how to solve? So make sure you use your notes and you are ready.